Howdy folks, Bandana Mechanic. Sorry I've been gone for a while, not posting too much. I'm just trying to deal with a lot of stuff, a lot of mental health and life issues. Guess we all got them. Why does mine matter? Oh well. I'll make a video about it. That way, if you want to watch it, you can. If not, whatever. Got a Honda. Don't run. As far as I know. Let me go double check. Oh. Of course. Just says maintenance and bad fuel. Literally never the only issue. For sure, bad fuel. Ooh, that's nasty. Well, gotta wait for the old air pump to pump back up. Guess I can start the maintenance. Regardless, I need to do that. Gonna be air filter, which I don't think we have. Oh. Actually, we might have one. Let me see. Nope. Wait, I'm done. Yep. Probably the last air filter we have. This place is in the dumps again. I'm back to not getting paid. I'm owed like $1,100 right now. Probably close to a heart attack. My heart rate's been ridiculous. And right now it's 127. I'm not even doing anything. Can't be that high. My watch has got to be messed up. I'm gonna turn it off and back on. Oh boy. Pretty black. Not terrible, but let me go get one. that. Got the air filter. Just gotta change the oil, do the blade. In case you were wondering, these Hondas, well, some of them, NGK, got this leaky air hose, so you guys get to listen to that, just like I have to. This place has no money anymore. Behind on rent already. Again, I'm not getting paid. It's a freaking joke. Piece of freaking crap. Ugh. Let's suck this crap ass gas out. That gas was clear, which is weird. When gas goes bad, it turns brown, gold. So they must use canned gas, which I do not suggest. I don't care what they try to sell you or what anybody says. That canned gas is just as bad as ethanol. I'm going to dump the oil. Put some fresh oil in. I'm going to drain the gas out of the bowl, since I already know it ain't gas. Better unplug this bad boy. While I have it flipped, I'll take the blade off and replace or sharpen. Maybe. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Yeah. These actually don't feel bad. Yeah, I could put an edge on those. Those ain't too bad. So I get to use the grinder I almost took my dang finger off with. Wee-haw. I just gotta get these off. I'll show you how to get these bladey weighties off. Where's my little gun gone? Alright, so and if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck. I mean, I know things could always be worse. I'm still alive, but so back to not getting paid again. That's pretty terrible. My on-off again relationship with this girl, she bailed on me while I'm dealing with this. The job I had at the gym, apparently I don't have anymore. And they didn't even, you want to know how I found out that because the gym wasn't open yet. They hired me like a month before they were supposed to open, and then their opening date kept getting pushed. And one day while I was with my girlfriend, I got an email saying, your new gym contract, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, because they had, work, because I was hired there, and an employee, you get a free membership. So they gave me a free membership. Then I get this thing in an email saying, I have a new contract, and the manager and owner forced it through. The contract doesn't have my signature. They charged me $52.99, said that they forced it through. The contract literally shows I don't have a signature. I didn't sign it. And when I called, the manager said that the owner pushed it through, and the guy Micah knows what's going on. And so I call Micah twice, doesn't pick up. I call the owner, doesn't pick up. Check my bank account. Sure enough, they forced it through without my signature. Brand new contract. So then I asked to cancel it. Well, you think they took my money, I should at least get to use the gym for the month. Well, nope. I canceled it. They already got the payment, mind you. And then they took away my ability to scan in, because it's done on an app on your phone. And they took that away. So I got screwed there. And then I did get a job with the post office. But guess what? It's the job offer I got out of all of them is at a post office that's literally only open 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday to Friday. And that's it. It's literally the only hours they're open. So I have like 24 hours a week, if that. So I still won't be able to pay my bills, and I'm not getting paid here. So it's like, what the heck do? Do I put in my time there part-time until I find a full-time job? I mean, what the heck? I mean, I'm going to have to find 2 jobs now, and I'm off at 1. So I got to find a job from like, what, 2 to 8 or 2 to 10 every freaking night? I just can't win. The girl left me. Not getting paid at work. My house is still destroyed. Can't afford to fix that because I keep going backwards. The job I finally get is part-time. The other job I thought I had got yanked from under me for no reason. But anyways, I'm going to go sharpen these. Then I'll be back. Alright, back. Sharpie, Sharpie. Now, these 2 blades, the small, thin one always goes on the top. Then the one with the lift on the bottom. So, in case you were wondering. Oh boy. Life is grand. Alright. Get some oil in her. back. We literally have 1 quart of oil left after this. This place is so screwed. The sucky part about it is, the reason I stayed is because it's my grandma's company. Maybe you guys know that, maybe you don't. But it's family. I took the freaking pay cut. I work here 6 days a week. Not full days, because I had to go supplement my income because I took a $200 a week pay cut. And all year I kept this place, I kept the bills paid. She could pay rent all year. She paid off some of the debt to the parts guy, paid the credit card bills, paid me, and she's saying I still didn't do enough. Trying to blame it all on me. I have the whole argument recorded too. She had a full year to figure it out and didn't do a damn thing. She leave me here freaking struggling. She gets her stupid Social Security check every month. So she's got income. I don't have nothing. Nope, it's screw me. Everything's my fault. My girlfriend blamed me for everything. My grandma, boss, whatever you want to call it, blames me for everything. I'm just a terrible human being, guys. Everywhere I turn around, it's my fault. I don't even know why I'm freaking alive. Everybody likes to blame and beat up on the big bad dude, right? Get some kind of, I don't know, excitement out of it. Knowing they can say and do whatever they want to me, and I just gotta deal with it. I don't know, folks. Just ain't it. Don't know how much longer I can take this stuff, that's for sure. I'm just gonna loosen the bowl, or the bolt on the bowl, drain the carburetor out. Get whatever that stuff was, because it definitely ain't gas. Oh well. So, yeah, the second part about it, now I gotta find another gym to work out at. The gym helps some of my frustrations and depression, but that takes money, which I don't have. And I'm not getting paid anymore. Oh, gotta love it. Let's put some gasoline in this bad boy. Hope she starts, or else I'll be doing a carburetor, or will be doing a carburetor. Come on, buggers. Let's see. Turn the fuel on. Really hope it starts. Yep. Should have figured. I have to do the dang carburetor. Ah, you fudger. So she has the ability to fire. Yep, she does. So now we gotta do the carburetor. Always fun. So, now you get to watch this Honda carb get done. Two 10 millimeters. When you do these, be careful of the gaskets. I know we don't have many of them, and if you mess them up, or they are messed up, these will not run right if your gaskets ain't right. Hondas are very, very temperamental when it comes to these gaskets. So, 210s, fortunately the bolts run all the way through the whole thing, so when you pull the intake off, you lose everything. There's the one gasket, very important. This has this thermal that's important. Oh, I better turn the fuel off here. Okay. Oh, fuel shut off. Get this fuel line off. Of course, it's gonna make a mess. I've seen people in the comments saying be careful about all this, or the county or whatever will come after me. Well, they come every year and everything's fine, number one. Number two, it's nearly impossible to work on these things and not spill some sort of something. If you literally work on these and you manage to not spill a drop of anything ever, then you're some kind of freaking god. That's all I can say. Yeah, so carb isn't too bad. More than likely, I just gotta get something in here You can clean out all these jets. And we'll start with this bottom. Worst case scenario, I'll have to take it out, but this one runs all the way through up here. And then there's sometimes some small holes in the side of them. Then you got a hole in here. Gonna get cleaned out here. My thing's all bent to crap because I use it a bazillion times. Might have to grab a new one. Yeah. I think I'll grab a new one. You can buy, like, I don't know, buy these by a single or a double or triple, or I think the last one I bought there's like 6 of them. This is a little bit bigger size, which I won't get again. The smaller ones are a little bit better, but the smallest size on this particular one will work on a lot of the holes. Just get it in there, clean it out. Yeah, I'm not answering no damn phones today. Actually, ever. There you go. Oh, yep. You're gonna have to get that out and clean in there, too. Oh. Oh, of course. I don't know where my dang head is. I just did a Honda last week, and I needed it. Oh, I'm such a loser. Yep, I'm a loser, y'all. Get that out of there. Put this down in here. Hit it with some pressure. There we go. Needs cleaned out. We'll see if that's enough. Really not much to these. Really hate putting these back together and then taking it back apart again, but I just want to see if we're on the right lines here. If it runs this time but runs crappy, then I'll take it apart and give it a super cleaning. Sometimes Just got to go deeper. Sometimes you don't. Now, this hooked up. Yeah, and I did this $1,000 head gasket carburetor job that I'm supposed to get the money from, and the guy keeps saying he's gonna come get it and bring money and isn't, so I'm suffering because of that too. The guy called and called and begged for me to get it done, get it done, get it done. I knew what was gonna happen. And now it's done, it's sitting here. He keeps bullshitting. Oh yeah, I'll bring some money tomorrow. Oh, I'll bring some money tomorrow. Oh, I'll come get it tomorrow. Oh, I'll bring money tomorrow. So we're gonna be selling that mower here really soon. I won't even feel bad. Screw that crap. It's part of this business, man. People literally, this happened last year too. I had like 2 or 3 $800 jobs sitting here for months. So we sold the mowers. Alright. She a smoky girl, but she runs. I might have overfilled the oil a little bit, or it's just from because I had it tipped over and stuff went in the muffler. So I'm gonna double check the oil, and then if that's at the right level, which it was, I'm just gonna put it outside, let it smoke itself out. But that's how you do a maintenance and a carburetor on one of these Honda mowers. Hopefully you learned something. Thanks for watching.